Electric Porsche 911 Restomod. Kindred Motorworks $300 K conversion. Kindred Motorworks is set to launch a limited-run electric conversion of the classic Porsche 911 G-Series 1974-1989. The Restomod will replace the iconic flat-six engine with a 375 horsepower electric powertrain, blending vintage aesthetics with modern performance. The electric powertrain, the conversion centers around Kindred's proprietary Grayback system. The rear-mounted electric motor delivers 375 HP and 280 lb-ft of torque, a significant increase over the original engine's output. Power comes from a 62 kWh 400-volt battery pack, promising a range of approximately 225 miles. The company states that the car will maintain a 40-60 front-to-rear weight distribution. Modern touches, classic feel beyond the powertrain swap. Kindred is performing complete restorations. The interiors will receive upgrades such as wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a modern HVAC system, heated seats, and a MagSafe wireless charger. The cabin will also feature premium Nappa leather and updated controls. Though the core driving experience is intended to be enhanced, not fundamentally altered, Kindred claims the electric setup will deliver sharper handling and more predictable power delivery. Limited production and pricing production of the electric 911 will be extremely limited, with just 12 examples planned. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in early 2027. The starting price is $299,000. Paint options and further customization details will be revealed in August. This project highlights a growing trend: the electrification of classic vehicles. While some purists may object, the demand for such conversions is likely to increase as technology improves and environmental concerns grow. The Restomod market is a niche but increasingly lucrative space. Kindred Motorworks has a track record of high-quality builds, suggesting this electric 911 will likely be well executed. The high price tag reflects the extensive restoration work, custom engineering, and limited production run.